Hello tech kids. Alright, we have attacks today in test out. Let's see what the scenario is. You have been asked to install and configure a new printer for the salesperson working in Office 1. The printer has been connected to the LPT2 port on the computer because the parallel port printers are not plug and play compatible, not automatically dictated by the operating system. You need to manually create a printer object for this printer. Alright, so this is printer related. It has to do with settings. So we right click on start menu, go to settings. While in settings, we click on Bluetooth and devices. While in Bluetooth and devices, we click on printers, and we have to manually add a device. So the printer that I want isn't listed. Remember, this is LPT2, so it will not be automatically dictated. So we add manually, and so we'll go to add a local printer or network printer setting. This one, click on this and click on next, and this is going to be LPT2. So we'll open this and scroll to LPT2, select, and we go to next. For this, the name is a Canon printer and is an inkjet E500 series. So click on it and we click on next, and the name of the printer is going to be sales. Yeah, let's just type in sales here, sales, and we click on next. We wait for the printer to be installed. Now it has been installed. We said do not share this printer, so we are not sharing. So do not share printer is selected already, so we don't need to do any other thing. We just click next, and are we setting this as default printer? Yep. Configure the new printer as default printer. So we select this and we click finish, and let's close this up and see how we fared. Everything is 100%, and this is another successful test out. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.